Now, President Cyril Ramaphosa is currently in isolation this morning after testing positive for COVID-19.
Now, for the rest of the week, his deputy, David Mabuza, of course, is going to execute all presidential responsibilities. According to a presidency statement, Ramaphosa started feeling unwell after leaving the state memorial service for F.W. de Klerk in Cape Town yesterday.
Well, the presidency says that Ramaphosa is in good spirits and is currently receiving treatment from military doctors for mild COVID-19 symptoms, and the president is fully vaccinated. Well, sticking with your health news, Health Minister Dr. Joe Phaahla says if you stay put and observe all COVID-19 protocols, you might have a lockdown-free Christmas.
And that's kind of what we're all hoping for, isn't it? A lockdown-free Christmas and New Year's. Well, the National Coronavirus Command Council is now set to meet tomorrow. The Department of Health is also expected to give input about any decision that could be made.
And Dr. Phaahla says, well, they remain quite optimistic.
All that I can say is that it is promising. Let me put it that way. It's promising. There's a possibility at this stage, when we look at where we were this time last year, where we were in the second wave. The fourth wave is promising. By the time we were in the second wave, this time around the same period last year, we are starting to get into serious trouble. It's much more promising now. So let me leave it that way to say cautious, optimistic, promising, but it's going to depend also on our behavior as to how much we can continue to be cautious in all our behaviors as individuals and as groups.
All right, so let's update on those COVID-19 numbers now. 18,035 new coronavirus cases have been recorded in the last 24 hours, and the NICD has also included 19,840 new cases. This is due to late reporting by public labs.
All right, let's break things down provincially for you, and Gauteng remains the hotspot with over 16,700 infections. That's followed by KZN with 6,246.
That's right. The Western Cape, on the other hand, is on 4,655 new infections. But the Northwest, Eastern Cape and Mpumalanga all recorded over 2,000 cases.
Well, Limpopo and the Free State had just under 2,000. The Northern Cape with 501 infections. The positivity rate rising to 28.9%.
Yeah, and sadly, though, we can't, leave this out. 21 more people having, lost their lives due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and then that's bringing the death toll, of course, to 90,137.